Beans and cupcakes actually make a lot of sense. The protein, the moisture, it's gonna help the structure, it's gonna keep them moist. It's gonna be delicious, trust me. We're just gonna basically put everything into a blender. Eggs. This is the amount of eggs and oil that the recipe calls for. Oil. We're gonna add in a can of white beans. These are cannellini beans, but any white bean will do. It tastes exactly like a regular cupcake. There is not a hint of bean. It's just a nice way to get something a little bit healthier and something that's a little bit more indulgent. Always need a sprinkle. And ta-da! We're eating cupcakes, who knew?